For our slope, we run it and it says it already exists. We cannot override it since the override is disabled. Alright, and then I drag my layer to my arc map and we can see the slope %. Okay, and then we're gonna continue. And in the arc catalog, we already be able to see the, let me just drag down. I don't think I can drag down more. In the arc catalog window, in arc map, so we confirmed that the slope per raster has been created, and now we have a basic standalone script for working with tools for the arcpy.sa module. And next we will use the reclassify tool with the remap range class as one of the parameters. And now I save this as a raster reclassification script, and it's right here, reclassification. And that we replace the 2 lines of code that pertain to creating and saving the slope raster, which is creating is right here. Previously, let me go back, my slope. Alright, so our raster is right here, slope, and I replaced it with my remap, and remap range is 1000, 2000, and then 1, 2000, 3002, 3000, 4003. An elevation, we use value, and we have a remap, and then elevation and reclassification 1, and we save and we run. Alright, something wrong is here. Our reclass equals reclassification, reclassify elevation. Alright, remap. Let's see. Our class we have to reclassify it. Alright, let's see. Elevation reclassify. Refresh. Nope, nothing happens. Elevation reclass. Okay. Two lines. Remap. Spatial. That's the 2 outline. Our slope is working now. Alright. I'm going to use the slope code is here and reclassify, and this 2 line, and I replace with this, and I just copy and paste and see. All right. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay, check it, and let's just call this reclass test. All right. And then run it. Our reclass is not out. Reclass. Let me see. It's not defined. Our raster. That's that sentence. Our class. Our class. Our raster. Should we say our raster? And then our raster. All right. I don't need this sentence. Our raster. Save. And our test. I'm going to run it again. All right. So now it worked. All right. Okay. And now let's see. Okay. Da-da-da. Reclassify elevation 1. So we should have classification 1 TIFF. That's this one. Invalid, failed, and still something wrong with it. All right, reclass elevation 1 TIFF. All right. Let's see. Okay. Save elevation 1. It's not the correct name here. My map. And we put the range here, out class, out raster, reclassify, and we use elevation, and remap, value, and we have elevation reclassify. All right. Save and run again. Okay. Let's see, saved. Classify without format, grid. Lines 9. Alright, something wrong miss here. Let's see. And for describe the data, and we're going to change again. So, alright, reclassify, and I'm going to file, save as, and reclassify, reclassify 3. Alright, and then I'm going to change it. So my remap, instead of value range, we will do remap value. That will have a 41 and 1. 41 and 1, and then we have 42 and 2, 42 and 2, and then we have 43 and 3, 43 and then 3, 42 and then 2, and out raster reclassify land cover, and I'll reclass, class. So, and we save as land cover underscore 1. And we have a land cover in .tiff, and then we will have value, remap, and then comma, no data. Alright, and then we're going to save and then run. Click OK. Oh my god. Alright, I'm going to close my program. Close program. Alright, and then I will open Python Wing again. If I don't open Python Wing, maybe I can just load my code here. So I'm going to go back to data and exercise 9 results, and I'm going to load my class reclassification 3 and see what's going on there. And there, perfect. And we have our this one works. So all right, and we have the land cover created. So the raster created, and other commonly used classes in raster analysis are the neighborhood classes. So we're going to work on it. But let's back up a little bit. The color, I know it's a little different but from yours, but I want to go back. Either the remap and the rearrange. What about the classification tool? And let me load it again. Load. Reclassify 2. No, test 1. This one, yeah. Alright, and then that's this one. Yeah, remap range, this one. Our slope worked. Alright, and then now it just this one, reclass, is not working. And let's give it a try. And it's working here. Oopsie, good. Alright. So now we have it. Alright, that's the elevation I called our raster. So let's see. Refresh. And we do have reclassification elevation 1. And the name is just, it doesn't follow the naming. That's why it's just so weird. Okay. Maybe they updated. Alright, so now we could do is doing the neighborhood. So we're going to do neighborhood and circle. So instead of the range, we have the reclassification. So, and now let's see. Ultimate error, but it's okay. We have some. And then if you want to see in detail, we can click this and see what's going on here. The output raster could not be created in the specific format. So they may output in the name or format or something. We cannot just run it twice or something. They updated, something is updated. Anyway, Python. When. Alright, so now we're going to do the neighborhood. So I'm going to open the classification